Hi, everyone. Welcome to this week's Causeartist Brief. I'm Grant, founder of Causeartist, and this week's focus centers on the dynamic intersection of climate technology, innovative funding, and impactful ventures shaping the future of our planet. Let's break it all down, starting with a key statistic that sets the stage for the conversation. Global venture and growth investment in climate technology reached an impressive $40.5 billion in 2025, reflecting an 8% increase from the previous year. This consistent growth underscores the sustained interest in sectors that are integral to the energy transition. Investors are zeroing in on areas like clean energy generation, grid modernization, critical minerals, industrial decarbonization, and climate resilience. These sectors form the foundation of the global shift toward a sustainable low-carbon economy. Clean energy generation, for example, includes advancements in solar, wind, and other renewable sources, while grid modernization ensures that energy systems can handle the increasing demand for renewable power. Industrial decarbonization, meanwhile, tackles emissions, heavy processes in manufacturing, paving the way for greener industries. Next, let's dive into some exciting new additions to the Causeartist database. First on the list is Nimble, a company that's reimagining tech accessories with sustainability in mind. Nimble uses recycled materials to produce its products and offers a free e-waste recycling program for customers. This dual focus on sustainable production and responsible disposal is a model for how consumer tech can balance functionality with environmental consciousness. For example, customers can return old electronics to Nimble, ensuring that these items are recycled properly instead of ending up in landfills. Another standout addition is Tailings, which is working to create a cleaner and more secure domestic rare earth supply chain. Rare earth metals are critical for technologies like electric vehicles, wind turbines, and advanced batteries, yet their extraction and processing often come with significant environmental and geopolitical challenges. Tailings is addressing these issues by developing methods to recover rare earth elements from mining waste, effectively turning industrial byproducts into valuable resources. This innovation not only reduces the environmental footprint of rare earth production, but also strengthens supply chain resilience. Clear Robotics is another game changer in the database. The company is developing AI-powered autonomous electric vessels designed to tackle multiple challenges in marine environments. These vessels can clean waterways, monitor infrastructure, and improve marine operations. For instance, they might collect plastic waste from rivers or inspect underwater pipelines, tasks that are traditionally labor-intensive and costly. By automating these processes, Clear Robotics is making marine conservation and infrastructure management more efficient and effective. On the funding side, several new players have been added to the Causeartist database, each bringing a unique approach to impact-driven investing. The Bezos Earth Fund is one of the largest philanthropic initiatives focused on climate and nature. With billions of dollars at its disposal, the fund supports large-scale projects aimed at mitigating climate change, preserving biodiversity, and promoting sustainable development. For example, the fund has backed initiatives to restore degraded ecosystems and protect endangered species. The UNICEF Venture Fund is another noteworthy addition. This fund provides equity-free funding and support to early-stage startups developing frontier technologies in emerging markets. By focusing on regions that are often overlooked by traditional investors, the UNICEF Venture Fund helps bridge the gap between innovation and impact. Startups backed by the fund might develop technologies for clean water access, renewable energy, or digital education, addressing critical needs in underserved communities. Finance Earth rounds out the list with its mission to unlock private capital for conservation, climate solutions, and community development. By mobilizing private investment, Finance Earth enables scalable solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. For instance, the organization might structure financial deals to fund large-scale renewable energy projects or community-led conservation initiatives. This week's updates also include significant funding rounds that highlight the growing momentum in the impact space. Clear Robotics raised $1.75 million, which will likely accelerate the development and deployment of its autonomous vessels. Campground, a platform focused on sustainable travel, secured $2.2 million, reflecting the increasing interest in eco-friendly tourism. Meanwhile, Cocoon Carbon closed a $15 million round, underscoring the rising importance of carbon capture and storage technologies. Cocoon Carbon's work could play a crucial role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions by capturing carbon dioxide from industrial processes and storing it safely underground. In quick news, the Linux Foundation has released new research shedding light on the impact of artificial intelligence on the job market in Europe. Contrary to fears of widespread job loss, AI is actually creating more technology jobs than it's eliminating. The net hiring effect among European technology organizations is expected to be 27% by 2026. This data challenges the narrative that AI is purely a job disruptor and highlights its potential as a driver of economic growth and innovation. For example, AI is enabling the development of new tools and platforms that require specialized skills, creating opportunities for workers to transition into high-demand roles. That's it for this week's edition of Causeartist Weekly. If you're building, investing in, or supporting solutions that create positive social and environmental impact, be sure to visit Causeartist.com to explore our growing database of companies, funders, and ecosystem organizations. You can also subscribe to our newsletter and follow our podcast network for more stories from founders, investors, nonprofit leaders, and innovators working to build a better future. Thanks for listening.